Hi guys, I'm just here at Wingstop while, Mama 4 does all the laundry for the month, just kidding, hadn't gotten to it, and finally I get to it and it's about 7 bags. If I showed you the picture of it, you'd be like, that is not all your laundry, but definitely is with 5 people, so that's what happens with that. So, never had Wingstop before, so let's see. Try it out once it gets here. I'm just waiting for my food now, so we'll have to see if it's any good. I guess I'm going to do my first Wingstop review just for you guys. Just something to do on MLK Day. R.I.P. So I just got more food, so let's see. There it is. Got a sandwich. See how that looks. Ooh, looks pretty good. And then, they said corn? Ooh, some Cajun corn, they said. And I wasn't really into getting potatoes right now, so I figured I'd try the corn. Ooh, yummy. Let's see. Have to try it out. Nice and quiet place. Nice place to be by myself for a little bit of time without screaming at kids and craziness. Enjoy my food in peace. Sometimes we need it. We're moms, right? Alright, so we're gonna have to try this out. Pretty good. Very salty. So, they have this sauce that goes with the sandwich. And it's so good. I didn't think it was going to be good. I just thought it was going to be, your regular old blue cheese, but it's actually really good. You gotta try it. You have to go to Wingstop. You have to go. So good. Okay, up next we're gonna try this beauty sandwich. Beautiful. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Pretty good. Well, definitely a nice little vibe. Little place to come and sit and eat. Spend a couple of minutes by myself to relax while I do all this laundry. Then I have to fold it and get it up to the room with the kids. So, thanks for sitting with me, guys. And like I said, I'll have that video up soon, the introduction. It's just been crazy. So, see you later. Okay, Wingstop. How's the Wingstop?
Good.
Yeah, Elle, how is it? Ari, how is it?
Good, especially this.
Yeah, you eating your fun fries? Soph, how is it? Yeah.
It's not anymore. It's from the 19th century.
Yep.
Sounds disgusting. We need a vision spike.
No, man. She wiped up with her own hand.